printer cable and turn on the printer. After that, open the cover. Do not hold the fine cartridge holder to stop or move it forcibly, and do not touch until it stops completely. And then remove the empty fine cartridge. Push down the fine cartridge until it clicks. And remove the fine cartridge. Insert the new fine cartridge at a slant into the fine cartridge holder. The color fine cartridge should be installed into the left slot, and the black should be installed into the right slot. Push the fine cartridge in and up firmly until it snaps into place. Check if the fine cartridge is installed correctly. And the last, close the cover.